In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know how to install the Apollo Chrome extension, open it on a LinkedIn profile, and use its panel to access verified data and organize your outreach. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Apollo.io Chrome extension. You're looking for the official Apollo extension in the Chrome Web Store. Open the listing, make sure it's the legitimate one from Apollo, and click Add to Chrome. When Chrome asks for confirmation, choose Add Extension. After it installs, you'll see the Apollo icon appear near the top right of your browser. If you don't see it, open the extension's puzzle piece and pin Apollo so it's always visible. Now go to the LinkedIn website. From your feed or search results, open any profile you want to research. This can be a prospect, a hiring manager, or any professional you'd like to learn more about. Take a moment to look over their headline and company information on the page so you know you're on the right profile. With the profile open, click the Apollo icon at the top right of your browser. The Apollo panel will slide in on the right side of your screen. Give it a second to load the profile's details. This side panel is where you'll do most of your work, and it's designed to keep you on the LinkedIn page while giving you deeper insights. Inside the panel, you can view verified work email addresses when available. These are professional emails, and they're incredibly useful for targeted outreach. Use them responsibly and in line with your company's policies. You'll also see company data such as industry, size, and estimated revenue. This context helps you tailor your message and quickly qualify whether a contact fits your ideal profile. From here, you can add the person to a list, which is a simple way to organize prospects by campaign, segment, or priority. If you're running email outreach, you can add the contact to a sequence. That means they'll receive a structured set of messages over time, helping you stay consistent without manual follow-up. And if your workspace is connected to a CRM, you can export the contact and company data directly, keeping everything synchronized without extra copying and pasting. That's the workflow. Find the extension, add it to Chrome, open LinkedIn, click into a profile, launch the Apollo panel, and use it to reveal data, save contacts, start sequences, and export to your CRM. Keep your notes organized, personalize your outreach based on the company details you see, and you'll work faster and smarter right inside LinkedIn.